welcome to my channel. See how I'm a mechanic.
Alright, so what you see right here is a 2012 Toyota RAV4. Alright, there's a lot of noise when you turn the engine and it doesn't go away. So I'm going to show you exactly what the fix is going to be. So let me start it up so you can listen to the noise. Alright, so let me bring you closer. So put the car into a shop. I told him to replace the alternator. He brought me the car and replaced the alternator. And then he said, why is the noise still there? I said, why not? So we never told him about any noise. So we can replace the alternator. So the noise is not the alternator. I'm going to show you what it is. Inside the garage. I'll show you exactly what it is. Alright, so I'm gonna jack the car up a little bit and I'm gonna remove the belt over there. I'll show you in a minute once I jack the car up what I'm gonna do. There's a cover that needs to be removed first. Now the cover is gonna come off. Just like that. Actually, let me put it everything over here on the side. Okay. All right, so now there's your tensioner up there. That one. That's where you're gonna put your 14 millimeter like that. Okay, so just like that, and then you push toward the engine, toward the car, I would say, to the firewall. You go in like that, and then you snap the belt out. So let me see if I can do this with one hand. No, I need two hands for these. Alright. So I'm just gonna do that. Actually, I can probably do it. One hand right there. It's out. Yep, right there. The bell's out. Trust me, with two hands, you can do it easier. I'm struggling because I'm only doing with this with one hand. I'm holding the camera with the other one. All right. So you gotta take off the belt completely off. Just pay attention how it goes. Okay, so there's the belt. So now I'm gonna turn the car on. So first, turn the fan on. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna turn the car on. Only no noise. Okay. No noise. So what that tell you? No noise. What that tell you is that the problem is not internal. The noise is not in the engine. The noise has to do with something out here, and we already know it's not the alternator, because I just replaced it, because that's what the owner told me to replace it, and the noise didn't go away. So that's why I'm doing the dyno, so I can tell him what it is, and so I can fix it for him. So here's your fix. This is your problem right here. So every car might have different problem. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna take your AC compressor and try to move it, and then you're gonna try to spin it, see if it sounds dry. Then you're gonna move to the tensioner. See, that one sounds dry, but that shouldn't make the noise that it's making, the rattle. So then you come to the water pump, try to move it, and then see. You gotta move the water pump, see if it has any play. Are you hear that? I'm just shaking it. So that's the problem right there. Grab it. That's a problem right there. Water pump. So need a new water pump. That will fix your rattling noise. As long as you took off the belt, you spin the alternator, and this one doesn't have any play, it's gonna be your water pump. All right. So here's the water pump. There's the part number. Okay. This is how the water pump looks like. Make sure it comes with a gasket. Gasket right there. This is the water pump. Just like that. So it's 4x7 little screw, 10mm. All right. It's not that hard to replace this water pump. So you do it, you do it from the top and from the bottom, from under. Really easy. Really easy to replace. You can see all the bolts there. I've done this a lot before, and you can do this under an hour. Really easy. All right, I'll show you the results after I replace it with the belt on and everything, to show you that the noise is going to be gone. All right, so let me go ahead and replace that. No play. You can see the inside. A lot of play. So the bearing inside is done. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna turn it back on, and I'm gonna show you under the hood. As you can hear, the car is on, nice and quiet. No more rattle. Nice and quiet. See? No more noise. There is the bell on. So now you know if you're having that problem. Please subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you in the next one.